Follow the steps on how to make a white outline of a photo in Photoshop. Let's start by inserting a photo. Select Subject. Then press Ctrl+J to duplicate. If you want to maintain the original background, you can use a solid color with black and lower the opacity. Position this layer below layer 1. Select Layer, right-click and open Blending Options. Activate Stroke, then adjust here. Create a new document with Ctrl+N if you want to use this photo as a YouTube thumbnail. You can follow this size. Click and drag to copy the photo. Resize using Free Transform. Add background. Move the background layer down. Double-click the stroke to edit. Finished. You can add a title next to it. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.